Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly exciting to show you. We're going to demonstrate how you can use the LLAMA 3.45 billion parameter model for free in your projects. We'll walk you through the entire process and show you how to get this massive model up and running with NVIDIA NIMs. Before we dive into the specifics of using LLAMA 3.1, let's quickly talk about NVIDIA NIMs. NVIDIA NIMs, part of NVIDIA AI Enterprise, is a powerful cloud-based service that lets you run GPU-accelerated AI models without needing to manage any hardware yourself. It's all done in the cloud on NVIDIA's servers. You get to use their robust infrastructure and APIs, which means you don't need to invest in expensive GPUs or worry about server management. Just interact with the API, and NVIDIA handles the rest. All right, let's get into the fun part, using LLAMA 3.1 for free. Head over to the LLAMA 3.1 page on the NVIDIA NIMs platform. Here, you'll find a range of parameters you can experiment with. For example, you can adjust the temperature to change how random or deterministic the responses are. You can also set the top PD to control the diversity of the output and tweak the frequency penalty to avoid repetitive responses. These parameters are great for testing how the model behaves with different settings. Now let's get practical. Choose your preferred programming language from the options provided, and copy the sample code. This code acts as a starting point. To make it work, you'll need to add your API key. Click this button. You'll get 1,000 free credits with a standard email or 5,000 with a pro email. Each call to the API uses 1 credit, so keep track of your usage. For testing purposes, paste the API key directly into the code. However, for production, it's a good idea to use environment variables to keep your API key secure. With the API key in place, you can now run the sample code. Modify the message content to suit your needs and see how the LLAMA 3.1 model responds. And that's a wrap on how to use the LLAMA 3.1 405 billion parameter model with NVIDIA NIMs for free. It's an incredible way to leverage one of the largest AI models, available without any upfront cost. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.